Welcome. Today's video is how to set up a club in the Whatzon app. Here we are at the landing page. Select business. We're going to get started. And the introduction screens will give you a quick rundown how to showcase your business, create exclusive deals, interact with customers, and we set it up here. So we're going to call it Steve's Golf Club. We'll call it Seaside Golf Club. We're going to set up a dummy email. Seaside Golf Club at Yopmail, which is a bulk email address just for this example. Password .yopmail.com. Password has to include a capital and a number and a special symbol. So we're going to go capital C, side, golf club, 1 exclamation. There it is there. We'll copy that and we'll paste that in to confirm the password. Control V. Accept the terms and conditions, go submit. We'll save that there. Now, you would normally get an email when you're setting up your club, and it would be the main contact email for the club. Click on that, it'll take you to sign in. To keep the video short, we're just going to go sign in here. There it is there, Seaside Golf Club at yopmail.com. Again, this would be your club's main email. Remember me, go to login. Now you won't see this unfortunately because I'm using the video recorder that is available for Windows 11. Doesn't show you secondary pages, but what I will show you is we're going to go to club. I've just selected club to add to the drop down menu and we're going to call it Seaside Golf Club. I'm going to pick a random address. And we don't know the ABN because this is just a demonstration club setup. But if you know your ABN, you can add it there or click on there and add that later. Go to next. Now it's going to ask us, these are the categories that show on the phone when you open the iPhone or the Android application. And of course we're a club, so we want it to show under local clubs. We'll select that, see the tick there, go next. Brief description, Seaside Golf Club. Enjoy a game of golf at one of Australia's premier golf courses, open to the public and members alike. You can put any description you like there. Obviously it talks about your club. In this example again, it's just a sample club. We're going to go done. Go to our dashboard. We're going to cover the dashboard in later videos and how the dashboard will give you feedback on deals and events and posts, but we'll go into that in later videos. When you set up your club, you're going to be presented with this page. There is a small fee for clubs. Now the fee for clubs is 15 cents plus GST per member. So if you have 1,000 members, it will be $150 plus GST annually. Now the difference between a club and a business is that along with that, because you have a large number of members, there is some cloud storage fees, and to keep the app viable, there is a small fee just to keep it running. But the benefit for clubs is that the deals, and we'll go into that later in the video, are accessible for everybody without a subscription, which we'll touch on subscription later on in the videos we're going to present. But for today, we'll go I acknowledge. Now it's going to ask, it's a Seaside Golf Club. Number of members, we're just going to put in 1,000. Contact name, we'll put my name in. We'll put in my number, 0488 253745, and we're going to put in Seaside Golf Club at Yopmail, and again this is just a demo email address. We know it's 46, the address we put in earlier. City is, we're going to put in Mildura. Actually we'll put in Nichols Point, so we'll just cut that, paste that in there. State is Victoria, and the postcode is 3501. ABN we're going to put in 127. Actually we might just put in those ones that default, just as an example. We'll submit that, and we'll save that. Form is submitted. So you'll see there it says the form is submitted. Thank you for your submission. We'll email you an invoice in the next 14 days. Welcome aboard. Okay, now once we've done that, so that's just to cover some of those storage fees we discussed earlier. You'll see it's here, it asks you, is this your first time here? We will go through this. We'll say yes. What it does do, it gives you a brief tutorial on what all the settings are for. Once we've done that, the first thing we need to do, folks, and there's the dashboard we spoke about, we need to set up our club profile. So we'll tap on this. I might add that this only has to be done once, and once only. Very simple to do. The first thing we need to do, these two top squares here, you'll see there's the arrow and there's the other arrow. This is to load pictures. You will not see this in the demo video because it doesn't allow me to video a separate page. But what we will do, I'm just going to pull up some images, and we're going to put in the middle there, because it's a golf club, a golf ball. Takes a moment to load. There it is there, Seaside Golf Club, and we're going to add another image for the background. And this is how your golf club, or your club if you like, will be displayed on the iPhone application and the Android phone application. I'm just going to put in my number will do. Now the website, just to show you how easy it is to put that in, don't type it in there. The best way to do it is go to your club's website, copy the address. I'm just going to put in our company's website just in this example. We'll go back and we're going to paste it in here, and you'll see it actually uses a full address. Now the golf club in this example we're going to say is open from 7 AM, like most golf clubs open early, and we're going to close at 10 PM each night. I'm just going to do that for the 7 days again because this is an example. We'll go copy, and you can use the drop down menu there with the times. I've found it's a little quicker, and again it's only a once only setup, is actually to just do a copy and paste, unless of course you have separate times. There's two options, but easiest way I've found is just to copy and paste. Okay, so once we've done that, we'll save the changes, and there it is. There is your setup. We'll show you in later videos how that appears on the phone. The next thing is you can put in a post, a deal, or an event. So we're just going to talk about a golf event. That's the easiest way. We're going to create an event, Seaside Golf Club, 4-ball, event. We'll do a brief description. Join us. We'll say Friday the 2nd of August for a fun day of golf in our annual four ball event. And again, we've got to select a category. What this does here, it actually shows where it will be posted on the application. You could go to all things sport, but because it's a club, we're going to click on local club. Again, it's asking for the address. Now, why this is important is because the application uses geofence technology. So when someone drives into an area anywhere in the country, in fact anywhere in the world, relevant data to that area will be posted to the app automatically. So that's why the address is so important. Once you've typed the address, you'll see there's some prompts that come up there. We're going to add in the 46 Cook Street. Now, 2nd of August, we've already agreed on that, so there it is there. So we're going to call it the 2nd of August. Go back, so we'll go 2nd of August, and we know it's only a 1-day event. It could be a 3-day event. You could put in the 4th to the 4th of August, but in this example, it's just the 1 day. And it kicks off at, let's have a look here, it kicks off from 10:30 a.m. and that event closes at, we'll say, 5:30 p.m. Now, to populate the app, we encourage everyone to use high definition images. It just presents your club in a far better light for users. I'm going to add an image now. You won't see that, but here comes the image. It's just one of golf again. Okay, so there's your event. Go next. Now this part of the application, this has been designed for clubs and businesses and councils across the country. So we've put in a ticketing system. So you can do a free ticket, a paid ticket, or no ticket. You can choose any of those, and you may choose for people to be able to be redirected to a ticket website like Ticketek. I'm going to walk you through that in a moment. In this example, we're just going to go no ticket. Now the external URL is optional. So in this case, it was a paid ticket, even if it's no ticket. With no ticket, you can put in a URL here and redirect to a social media post, redirect to your website, or redirect into any application, any web application. It could go to Facebook, but in this case, we're just going to put it to our website, just in this example. So copy there, pop that in there. One quick thing here, this does prompt you and say that please enter a valid URL. You can get rid of that by simply backspacing and get rid of the /. And there it is there. You get to review it. Starts at 10:30 a.m. 2nd of August, the Seaside Golf Club 4-ball event. Join us Friday 2nd of August for a fun day of golf in our annual 4-ball event. Now you'll see that it says ticket link, but you can divert that to anywhere, as I said earlier, social media or back to your website or the part of the website that talks about your golf event, or it could be a band that you're running at the club. So that's what that's designed for. We'll publish that. Go to events. Now we can see the event is actually posted. Once that's done, that will be visible on the phone. You must load an event to be visible on the phone. If you don't have an event, you could simply put in your trading hours. Our trading hours are this, and put it in as an event, and it will show the business on the phone. You'll note over here that you can edit it or delete it. We recommend all events be deleted after they've expired, but you can leave them on there as people have the opportunity to post photos from the event, which we'll touch on in later videos. The next thing deals, and this is a big one for clubs. Again, I go back to that the cost per member, 15 cents plus GST. But the advantage to clubs is we're going to create a deal. And we're going to call it the Pastor deal. $29 includes a free pot of beer. It can be anything. Enjoy pasta of your choice, 7 nights per week for $29. Again, it can be anything. And the condition is members $29, visitors it could be $32. Again, just an example. It's really designed to show you just how easy it is to set this up. You can go discount, buy one, get one free freebies. You may not be able to see that in the video. We generally suggest you just leave it as a discount. Now we're going to add some more photos. Again, you will not see me select the photos, but we will go through and I'll quickly bring up some food. And let's have a look here. We will go to, forgive me folks, it won't be a moment. Go to pasta. Let's bring a pasta up. Apologies folks for the delay there. I just had to find where I'd saved the photos. And there it is there. When does a deal expire? Let's run it to the end of the year in this example. 31st, and it'll expire at, your bistro closes at 9 o'clock, expires at 9 o'clock. There it is there, review and publish. There's your dashboard, and again we'll cover this in later videos. We want to keep this as short as possible. But that's how you set up your club on the Whatzon app. Again, back to deals, back to events. We'll quickly do a post. We'll set it up in a large font. And it can be absolutely anything. It could be extended hours, it could be club closures for renovations, it could be to inform members that the entrance aid of the club is closed due to roadworks. This is pretty much for anything. So we'll just go join us this Friday night for a night of fun and dancing. Ring the club for more details. The other thing you can do, you can actually add a link in. So again, a URL link, and it will show in the post in blue. So you can give the link a title. We'll call it in this example, Whatzon landing page. And again, this is just to show you how easy it is. We'll copy that in there, but this could go to your website. It could go anywhere. Pop that in there. Control V, add that. There it is in blue. That's how it'll appear on the phone. If you tap on anything blue within our environment on the phone, that will link you to another page. Go here, add a photo, and we're going to add just a quick photo of people dancing, having fun. There it is there again, high definition image. Again, as I said earlier, just to finish off this video, you'll notice the posts, you can schedule them or you can save them as a draft. In this example, we're just going to publish it. Go to posts, and there it is. And it's that simple. There is no limit to the amount of posts, there's no limit to the amount of deals, no limit to the amount of events. But again, for clubs, all deals are accessible without a subscription, which we'll touch on in later videos. Thanks again for joining us on our journey. We're very excited about our product, in particular because it showcases clubs. I myself am a club manager, as is one of the other founders, and the other founder used to work as a functions coordinator. So we're very excited. We think we've built a great product that's going to drive business through your door and solve a lot of problems. Have a great evening, and we will see you in another video.